Hold the handlebar and lift the stand. Make sure this piece on the folding mechanism latches onto the scooter. You will need to connect the cables of the scooter. Make sure that the handlebar is rotated in the right direction and then connect the cables in the matching colors. Use this little indent as a guide and be careful not to bend the pins. You'll notice a red cable that is connected to a plug. This is your hardware speed limiter. To remove the limiter, just unplug the plug. And once you're done, secure the wiring inside the stand and mount the handlebar. Do not tighten the screws all the way. Only when you've inserted all the screws can you tighten them fully. Depending on where you live, there will be certain regulations on the road. Make sure you abide by the law of your country. Once you've assembled the scooter, start it by holding for about 2 seconds on the power button. Once the scooter is turned on, quick press the power button twice to switch between the different speeds of the electric scooter. Make sure you're on speed P3 with the S illustration on the dashboard. Your scooter should now be fully unlocked. Your scooter comes with some safety features like the accelerator not working unless the scooter is moving at a speed of about 3 km per hour. Using the KingSong app you can change this. Make sure to download the KingSong app and connect to your scooter to access all advanced features like that.